Black Cannon's Garage, and today we are doing our very first car review. So what we have here is the new 2023 Kia K5. The color is wolf gray. This is the GT line edition. You do have two more editions right above this. You got the EX and then you have the GT. The reason we're doing a car review on this one is, are you getting the most bang for your buck? All right. So this GT line right here is the limited edition, has a red interior. This one is also smart four-wheel drive. I think the EX is just front wheel and the GT is also just front wheel. All right, so we're gonna do a brief walk around the car and then we're gonna get into the interior and then get what's up under the hood, y'all. Start off, color again, it's wolf gray. Really like the color. Has that flake in it, you know, especially when the sunlight hits it. When it's in the shadow, when it's like a little dark outside, the car actually looks a little darker than what it really is. All right. Wheelbase. These are 18-inch wheels. Come stock on the GT line, the EX, and the regular GT. Another pretty hot thing about this car is the lights. All right, it has that amber light to it. Nice set of fog lights down here. I want to say the GT has it. The EX does not have the fog lights down there. All right. We're gonna swing around to the back. Another hot feature about this car is the duck bill. It's just real nice, smooth, you know, nothing too crazy, nothing too big. So, and then with that black right there, man, that made it look pretty sweet. All right. So unfortunately, it just did the automatic trunk open because I was standing in the back of the car. All right. That's a pretty cool feature when you're approaching the back. All right. Really like how it has that rear diffuser already back there. You know, pretty smooth. And then moving on to the top of the car. This is really a hot feature about this car. This car has the full panoramic roof. All right. So from the front to the back, it's full panoramic roof, guys. Another hot feature about this car, guys, I love the side markers. Real sleek, real smooth. This one has the black cab up top. I think the EX is color of the car. I really like that black. Really just kind of break up the color instead of having a wolf gray top on it. Another pretty cool feature about this here, and then this chrome piece here around the window, the trim runs all the way back around. Really helps break up the color of the car, really helps it stand out as well. So now we're gonna get into what's under the hood. All right, we're gonna talk about the power plant, okay, in this car. All right. All right, guys, power plant we got under here. We have the 1.6 turbo GDI, pushing around 180 horsepower. I want to say around 200 foot-pounds of torque, 200, maybe 230 foot-pounds of torque. Really clean up under here. Really nice, you know, really smooth. The turbo on this car is located there in the back, and your blow-off valve, I want to say, is located right up front. Cool thing about this car, guys, there's a lot of forums out there. Guys are doing some, you know, sweet upgrades to these cars. I want to say JD4. They have a a really nice tune package for this car. Once you get it tuned right and change this blow off valve, you can change this blow off valve as well. You got guys out there getting about maybe 230 horses out of this car. You know, that's a nice amount of ponies, you know, coming out of that 4-cylinder turbo. All right, guys, getting in the inside, really digging this interior. This is the limited edition GT line, you know, with the red interior package. Really loving it. Again, the sunroof, man, you know, can't ask for, you know, anything, you know, pretty much better than that. We're gonna go ahead and give it a start up. There we go. We're gonna pop that back. Man, really cool, you know. So can't ask for any more than that, man. You know, full panoramic sunroof, looking really dope. We got some Drizzy there playing for y'all. All right, some of the features that I really love about the car, man. The smart app from your phone. I can unlock and lock this car from my cell phone. I can see where my car is. I can adjust the climate control. I could do valet, especially the valet, man. That's pretty nice feature to have. You know, you don't want nobody zipping around, or, you know, your kids, you know, letting the kids, you know, drive the car. You can control how fast it's going, and, you know, what's going on. I'm really digging the display here. You know, we got the 10.2.5, I believe this is, display, touchscreen. You know, really nice. I don't know, but that's what you know, inside really nice. You know, adjust your media. You got Bluetooth. You got the Bluetooth capability. You got phone projection. I really like that because you hook your phone up Bluetooth or via USB cable, and, you know, the car is runs flawless. Here's some of the different features you got here. Again, you got the valet mode, you got your navigation, you got your phone, your radio, your Bluetooth media, you got your Kia Connect, which is an app that you use from your phone. You got the climate control where you can set it to, you know, cut on how you want it. Your notifications when, you know, it's time for service, it's time for an oil change, any updates that you need. And you also got the user manual here. You can also go into your settings and you can change how the display looks, how it slides. You know, it's pretty cool features down there. I love the air conditioning. I love the heat, the climate control setup down here. It's all amazing. It's flawless. The interior and the Kias have come a pretty, you know, far, you know, long way. One of my favorite things about this car is, man, you don't got your charger to plug your phone in, you know, always run out. You got this cool wireless charger right here. You just push this down inside. It holds your phone in, and then next thing you know, boom, you're getting your phone charged. All right, so here, when you stick it down in here, you get a little orange light right here when your phone starts to charge. Mine's probably fully charged right now, but that's another cool feature for you guys. All right, another cool feature I'm really digging about this car, you know, in Cleveland, Ohio, it's, you know, about to be wintertime, gets cold. We got those heated seats right here. All right, that's also another feature that you can control from your phone. Get those seats warmed up. I also got the heated steering wheel. You know, you can't go wrong with that, man. That heated steering wheel, you can't, you know, that's awesome. Right here, we got the drive features. It'll display here on your dash. All right, so car is telling me it's gonna cut off in a little while, but we're gonna go ahead and show y'all the drive mode. So you can go custom, you got snow, you got smart, you got normal, and if you're just trying to drive a little quick there, you got sport. All right, and also another cool thing is it pop up right here too, so it'll give you the display here, the custom setting. You can keep it on normal drive mode, and then you can have it on sports steering wheel drive mode. We got the snow option, because it right here again in Ohio, it's gonna start snowing. You need that all-wheel drive. We got smart mode and we got normal. All right, I'm loving the lights up top, really bright at night, man. When y'all hit this button or you got this on, you can cut it on and off. See if you're exiting the car, doors open, flip it off, hit that button, cut it on. A thing that really got me was I couldn't understand how to cut these things on. So here you go, boom, just touch that light right there, touch it, man. That kind of sold me. Armrest, everything is, is pretty normal size armrest, down in there. And then everybody's question, how is the back seats, especially if you're a family guy? Let's run to the back, y'all. All right, what's up, y'all? I'm back. We in this back seat right here, and I'm not a tall guy, man. I'm only 5'9". My seat is pretty much, back to, where normal size of where I'm driving, and I still got plenty of space back here, so even if I was to let the seat up, man, you got plenty of space back here. It definitely seats 5 back here comfortably. You got this hump right here, so you probably gotta, you gotta share foot space. Other than that, the only downside to me that I didn't like was that they had this right here. But other than that, you got plenty of space back here. And then if it's just 2 people back here, or one, you got a nice armrest right here, drinks, kind of just chill. So, I was definitely feeling that right here. All right. Another cool thing about this back here, man, you need to charge your phone. They're in the back seat. The kids back here driving you crazy. Plug them in, and they're good to go. And at night, they light up. So that was pretty hot too. Love the headrest. The seats are feel, nice, tight, comfy. Man, you can't ask for, better back seat, man. So, all right. Hey, so another pretty cool feature about this car is you got distance control, you got your cruise control. You can set your cruise control to how far, you want to be, your car to engage in the cruise system. So if it's a car in front of you on the freeway, you can adjust it to where you get too close to the car will automatically start braking for you, start slowing the car down. Another pretty cool feature that I like about this is this smart drive button right here. All right, so not a Tesla by all means, but when I hit this button and I'm on the freeway and I'm kind of a little tired, not too alert, this button right here keep me in between the lanes, and also it's kind of steering the car for me. So that was my top selling feature of this car. I was telling y'all about that smart drive button feature. All right, so I just hit that button and you can tell it's active right here on the steering wheel. And as you guys can tell, I am driving. My hands are pretty much not on the steering wheel at all, and the car is pretty much, driving itself here. All right, you still definitely want to be attentive, to what's going on. But as you can see, I really love this feature, and it'll let keep both hands on the steering wheel, if you're driving. But as you guys can see, I am not turning the car at all. The car is pretty much turning and, driving itself. So this feature right here, I was, definitely a fan of. And it will tell you to put your hands on the steering wheel, just a slight touch. So I just kind of usually just rest my hands on there. But for the most part, cars doing, it's doing its thing. All right, guys. So, hey, we just gave y'all the basic rundown of this K5, man, by Kia, man. These cars have come a long way. They kind of grown on me. I wasn't really a big fan of the Kias, man, but after having this car and driving it, I'm like, you know, I'm pretty amazed of the quality of the car, the handling, the acceleration. Really digging this car, man. So if you're looking for a nice car, bang for your buck, I'm definitely suggesting check out the K5. All right, so we're gonna get back to y'all, because guess what, we got some more car reviews coming up for y'all pretty soon. All right, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, and you know what we always do, we'll catch y'all later.